Assalamualaikum aspirants. Today we will solve Civics and Ethics MCQs that will directly help you in the CSS MPT exam. These questions will not only refresh theory but also train you to use logic in the exam hall. So stay focused. Every question will clarify an important concept. So 20 MCQs हम डिस्कस करेंगे civics and ethics के और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है who is considered the father of the modern political science. तो राइट आंसर है अरिस्टोटल. ठीक है, Aristotle is called the father of modern political science because he gave systematic theories on state, government and citizenship, and he laid the foundation of political science. Next question है fundamental rights are provided in which part of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. Right answer है part 2. Part 2 of the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan covers fundamental rights and principles of policy. It defines the basic rights of citizens. Next question, the concept of separation of powers was given by. तो इसका right answer है Montesquieu. Introduced the concept of separation of powers in his book Spirit of Laws. Modern democracies base the executive, legislature and judiciary on this idea. Next question, which article of the Pakistani Constitution deals with the right to education? Article 19, Article 25A, Article 23 या Article 27. तो right answer है Article 25A. Article 25A of the Constitution of Pakistan states that the state will provide free education to children between 5 and 16 years of age, and this is a fundamental right. Next question, Human Rights Declaration. Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted in which year? 1945, 1948, 1950 or 1960? Right answer है 1948. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted in 1948 by the UN General Assembly, and it was the first global document on human rights. Next question, who wrote the book Social Contract? तो right answer है रूसो. ठीक है, रूसो ने ये लिखी. रूसो बुक सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एम्फसाइज सोवरेनिटी एंड द विल ऑफ द पीपल, एंड इट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. द प्रीएम्बल ऑफ द यूएन चार्टर बिगिंस विद द वर्ड्स विद द स्टेट्स, विद द पीपल्स, विद द नेशंस और विद द गवर्नमेंट्स. तो राइट आंसर है विद द पीपल्स. ठीक है, सी. The UN Charter begins with the peoples of the United Nations. It reflects the people-centered approach. Next question discuss करते हैं. Ethics is a branch of philosophy dealing with beauty, truth, morality or logic. Right answer है morality. ठीक है. Ethics is a branch of philosophy that studies good and bad, right and wrong. In other words, it is the philosophy of morality. Next question. With philosopher said, man is a political animal. So right answer है Aristotle. ठीक है, Aristotle said, man is a political animal because humans cannot survive without social and political interaction. Next question, the concept of fundamental duties is found in the Constitution of Pakistan, USA, India or UK. तो राइट आंसर है इंडिया. ठीक है, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज एग्जिस्ट इन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. इट इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान और द यूएसए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. राइट टू फेयर ट्रायल इन पाकिस्तान कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज गारंटीड अंडर विच आर्टिकल? आर्टिकल 9, आर्टिकल 10, आर्टिकल 10A और आर्टिकल 11? राइट आंसर है आर्टिकल 10A. आर्टिकल 10A gives the right to fair trial. It ensures the integrity of the judicial system and guarantees justice. Next question, which UN body is primarily responsible for maintaining international peace and security? General Assembly, Security Council? तो इसका right answer Security Council है. ठीक है, the UN Security Council is the most powerful organ responsible for maintaining peace and security, and it has the authority to impose sanctions and authorize military actions. Next question, क्लासिकल पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी से रिलेटेड है. हु इज़ द ऑथर ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स? तो राइट आंसर है अरिस्टोटल. अरिस्टोटल रोट पॉलिटिक्स विच इज़ अ क्लासिकल टेक्स्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल philosophy. Next question, Which article of Pakistan Constitution prohibits slavery and forced labor? Article 10, Article 12, Article 11 और Article 13? तो राइट आंसर है आर्टिकल 11. ठीक है, आर्टिकल 11 prohibits slavery, forced labor and child labor. It is an important human rights clause in the Constitution of Pakistan. Next question. The term ethics is derived from which language? Right answer है Greek. ठीक है, the word ethics comes from the Greek word ethos which means character or custom. Next question discuss करते हैं. Which is not a fundamental right in Pakistan? Freedom of speech, right to information, right to bear arms or right to association? तो इसका right answer है C, right to bear arms. The right to keep and bear arms is not included in the fundamental rights of the Constitution of Pakistan. It exists in the USA. Next question. The headquarter of International Court of Justice is located in? तो right answer है Hague. ठीक है, Hague में the International Court of Justice is located in Hague, Netherlands, and it is the principal judicial organ of the UN. Next question. Justice delayed is justice denied is related to which concept? Social justice, natural justice, political justice or economic justice? तो right answer है natural justice. The justice delayed is justice denied is related to the principle of natural justice. It means justice must be delivered in time, otherwise its purpose is lost. Next question. Which article of Pakistan Constitution deals with freedom of press? Article 18, Article 19, Article 20 or Article 21? तो right answer है Article 19. Article 19 guarantees freedom of speech and freedom of the press, but the state may impose reasonable restrictions. And last question. Who introduced the concept of journal will? तो इसका right answer है B. Rousseau gave the idea of journal will, which means the authority of the state should be based on the collective will of the people. So you have seen that civics and ethics is not just about definitions. It is also connects with real life. It builds you as a responsible citizen and gives you an edge in exams. So revise these questions again and again and write extra notes in your notebook. In the next lecture we will come with fresh MCQs from another subject. Stay consistent and keep learning.